Hello, friends. Today I am going to tell a story of a superhero whose name is Virali Modi. Virali Modi was born in US. At a young age, she came to India for meeting her relatives, and when she went back to US, she was detected malaria. Then she was hospitalized. From there, her health got deteriorated and declared dead thrice. But again, she survived. She became disabled bottom of her neck at the age of 15. But with great efforts, she came to a state where she could move her hands but got settled to wheelchair. She again came to India for better treatment. During her visit to India, she had very bad experiences in Indian trains when she traveled. She felt very bad for not having proper facilities to the disabled, like no ramps in the railway stations and no ramps in the to get to board into trains. So she took a decision that she should stand for disabled people as a leader and fought for ramps to be arranged for them in railway stations. Then she wrote letters to PMO and Ministry of Railways, but there was no response at all. She got so much humiliated and then launched a petition at change.org with the name #MyTrain2 in the year 2017. There were 5 lakhs people who have signed the petition, but still no response from the government. However, there is one higher official from Kerala Railways who came forward to help her. They started a trail run of a portable ramp where a disabled person can board the train easily. That became famous, and with that success, they could able to do the same in another 8 more cities in the country. With that, she became famous in the country, and Delhi Commission of India gave her Women Achievement Award, and the 100 Women BCC say that she is one of the inspirational and influential women in 2017, and then later on she was been awarded Bharat Prerna Award. She gave TED Talks in multiple places about her experiences and struggle due to her disability. She could able to do an ad with Salman Khan in Being Human promotions. So I would like to conclude that her spirit, belief, faith made her to become superhero. The main support and the backbone of her success is her parents, and mainly her mother. She stood with her in all her struggles and in all her success. So what I would like to say to all you people is, we all can become superheroes if we follow our dreams with determination and with faith, and we can write our own fate. Thank you.